Alright guys, today we are going to unbox the Legion's mousepad M.
Unbox the future.
I have ordered this product on Amazon. I'll keep the link below in the description for you. And now let's unbox this and look how's the mousepad inside. Keep this aside. Here you can see this is the here you can see that this is the top portion of the mousepad. This is the top portion. This feels very soft and silky smooth. This feels very soft and it has a good grip on the surface of the table. It has a very good grip on the table. It feels sturdy, and the top portion of the mousepad feels soft, smooth and silky. Let's take a look at the bottom of the mousepad. It has a rubberized you can take a closer look over here. It has a rubberized grip, rubber mat on the bottom of the mousepad, and you can see the edges. They have stitched the edges very well in order to avoid the tearing of the mousepad. They have given a cloth border for the mat. It feels very good in the hands. And now let's place a mouse on this and see how it feels. Here I have my mouse. Well, this looks very good. Yeah, you can see here. This feels very soft and smooth. Mat itself has a good grip and sticks onto the table. As you can take a look, I'm trying to move the mouse, and the mousepad sticks sturdy to the table, so there is no problem in the movement of the mousepad. Overall, the feel of the mat is very good. You can use this with some other items such as wallet or phone if you can. This is a good size mousepad. Just show you the measurement of the mousepad. The mousepad, this is my 30 centimeter scale. As you can take a look over here, this is my 30 centimeter scale. Yeah, it's more than 30 centimeters in length, and in width it's 25 centimeters. As you can take a closer look over here, it's 25 centimeters. This is a good sized mousepad for official use, and also for gamers. Mostly for gamers, this is a good mousepad because you have plenty of space to move your hand like this around the mousepad while you play the game. And this is also very good mousepad for designers, architects, interior designers, and the people who work on productive designs and productive work. This mousepad is very helpful for them. I recommend you to buy this mousepad. This comes in a good budget. I'll keep the link below in the description.